With so many people working at home at the moment, it's really important as leaders of organizations for us to remember how easy it is for people to slip into bad habits and to forget the fundamentals. And as leaders, our ability to coach our people and reinforce the things that are really important is absolutely critical, especially if we're trying to enable our team to learn new skills. And there's a model that's really important to keep in mind if we are training and coaching our teams on new skills and expecting them to then adopt them and deliver them. And very often we'll find ourselves in this current environment having to change our approach and having to get our teams to take on board new skills and to train them and coach them to adapt. So remember Ebhaus's forgetting curve. And if you look at the Ebhaus forgetting curve, what it shows is that when people learn or are taught new skills over a period of, well, from the minute they're taught through to around 31 days, we are continually forgetting what we're taught. And within 20 minutes, we forget as much as 40% of what we've learned. You know, a day out, we've forgotten about 66%. 31 days out, we've forgotten almost 80% of what we've learned. We're retaining just 21%. It's why when you build out some form of training or new program for employees, you must think about reinforcement. The difference when you optimize reinforcement of learning at 30 minutes in, a repeat or a reinforcement, about an hour later, about the next day or at the end of that training program, and then a fourth repetition just under a week after the original program or training has been delivered. And what we see is then a lift from just 21% recollection right the way up to around 85% of what's being trained, being recalled and implemented. So think about design and follow-up or reinforcement of anything you're teaching your people. Because if you don't, you're going to get this huge drop-off in retention. If you'd like a discussion about how to do that, how to design more effectively, then please feel free to reach out. But I wanted to share this particularly important at this moment in time. Hope you've enjoyed that. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.